how you can summarize text in Claude AI. Right now I'm on desktop, and all I need to do is to just open your Claude and select the model which you want to use. Right now this is the Sonnet 4.6. It's most efficient for everyday tasks, so simply select this mode and now type here summarize this text. I'm doing it like this, and now type the text which you want to summarize and simply press enter or confirm and wait until it's done. After a few seconds the text is summarized. If you are not satisfied, you can make it shorter, so make it shorter and it's gonna create shorter summarized text. So basically that's how you can summarize text in Claude. It's pretty easy and pretty useful. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.